Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. I hope all is well. And every day we are talking, therefore, about the health. I'm I'm Dr. Muhammad Khan, naturopathic, and I am giving my treatment free of cost because I am doing for the everything I am doing for the God. My benefit from the God. So I am saying, keep away from the medicine yourself, because medicine, not cure. They are all chemical. Our nature is, if you keep your nature in your life, you believe me, you never get any disease. Always keep your life with the nature. Early morning, wake up and walk with the nature, stay with the nature. Keep with the near with the meditation. If you have your life in meditation, you don't, and keep always first things, you keep yourself happy. You see in the mirror, you make strong your image, and you say your image to I love you. Love yourself. If you love yourself really, you never coming any disease. Always walk with the nature. Keep your life in meditation, holding your breath. Take deep breath. If you take every day, early morning or evening, you take the deep breath, you never get any problem. Even 60 second or 30 second, you start beginning, even 10 second or 20 second, if you go step by step. So you will get, and keep your life in the green salad, nature food. And you have living food, green salad and fruits and green vegetable, green juice. Keep your life in, you never get any disease. And second things, you see how many women, 90% of the women have the breast cancer. Why? Because they are eating all oily food, junk food, and this food is, all more there is acidic foods. So this food is, our life is spoiling, our body is spoiling, and then what they are getting? The breast cancer. The breast cancer, there is symptom. If you have, this one, you must be remember, if your body feel like this redness and pain and swelling and discharge and dumpling and inflammatory breast cancer, there is have, tumor cancer. So why they are coming? And heredity and early menstruation and late menopause. So this one, why this problem coming? Because we are stopping the milk. We are taking medicine and we stop milk. This is very bad. We are getting more disease. Our life, you are making the end. You're killing yourself. You never stop your milk. This milk, gift of God. This medicine for the children. You must have to feed your milk for 2 years. This is God saying, not I am saying, because God is the big doctor, biggest great doctor. So when you stop, you will get the breast cancer. So don't stop milk. And this some things God giving, because have to come out for this, for some that food. So that food must have to give for them. So you don't stop. Don't take any medicine. Don't take any injection to stop the milk. Don't stop. If you stop, you 100% you will get the breast cancer. So you don't stop. And when you are sleeping night, make your loose cloth. Don't make tight your body. You open your bra and wear something, nighty or maxi something. So you wear that one. So your body must be feel comfortable. So you will never get the breast cancer. And you love your body. You love yourself. If you love yourself, you love for the people. You help people. God will help you. God saying, who help the people, my mercy on him. So we have to make our life is good, and always keep your life in. If you don't have green salad, green juice, you take just moringa leaves and make 100 ml juice, and that one you can drink early morning, empty stomach. And you see, imagine after 1 month what happened. You see that one after 1 month what happened. That one. God is great. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, if you are doing good things, Allah will help you. Your life coming so beautiful, your hair coming so beautiful, your skin coming so beautiful, your body coming beautiful, and your life you will feel always healthy. And today you are born from your mother, so this is your hand. How do you keep your health, you know? So that's why I said, you have money, you buy salad, you can get green salad, fruits, vegetables. Don't eat fried oily foods, don't eat processed food, don't eat refined food, don't eat tin food. So this packaged food, don't eat, all avoid. You eat always nature food, this nature food from the god. If you eat the nature, you must think this is from nature, this is from the people. So avoid for the people, take the nature food. So if you keep your life with the nature, god is great. God giving our life so beautiful, we have to take care. This is life is very beautiful. Tomorrow we died, what happened? Who will going to, who, how we take care tomorrow? Today we all coming on the, we are coming sick and we are on the bed, on the chair. Who? So this is, you making your life, you making yourself disease, you making illness yourself. You don't make illness. Illness is, ego is very bad. You keep your life wellness, so inshallah you are coming great, you are coming beautiful life, and your family is loving you, you loving your others, god will. That's why god saying, keep meditation with you, keep happy life with you, enjoy your life, and see, you make the meditation. If you have with the meditation, you don't have any problem, no cancer, no thyroid, no high bp, no blood pressure, no any disease, no cancer, because if you eat every day green juice, you don't have any disease. This is my challenge. Every day you have to drink, before you eat your food, you have to drink the 100 ml moringa juice. Or don't have moringa, you can buy the green salad, green vegetable. So must be have in your life in nature green, and you stay in the green. And this is the nature. God blessing you, keep you healthy. And if you know these things, you must be tell your friends, your neighbors, your parents, and if they also get the benefit. We have to give good things, good people with sharing. We are sharing our life, healthy life, and we have to always help to people. We have to talk with them healthy things. We never do bad things. We have to keep, if you are doing the right things, right path, god will make you for more respect for you. God make you holy for you. Without holy you cannot enter in the heaven. If you are not holy, you never enter in the heaven, never and ever. So keep your life is holy, and eat the best things, don't eat the bad things, so our body will become disease. So always you have to eat the green things, green salad, green vegetables, and all. And don't eat too much any animals foods, because that also coming high cholesterol and obesity coming, and you are coming stress coming. So this all go from away. You must go follow to nature. Always you must be, when you early morning wake up, you should be think, I have to eat the salad. If you cannot find salad, you have moringa, you just drink 100 ml juice, you take and see. I no need to believe me, just go ahead, do and see. You make juice every morning. You can avocado, banana, kiwi, strawberry, whatever you have, you make juice and drink. See your life how is coming beautiful. See, very nice, you are fresh looking, you feeling fresh you are. So your life is great. So always say thanks to god.